Isang mapagpalayang araw po sa pagpapatuloy po ng ating talakayan ukol po sa provision ng Rule 113, Law on Arrest o Revised Rules of Criminal Procedures. Ang tatalakayin po natin ngayon ay yung nilalaman naman po ng Section 4, no? Execution of Warrant. Okay? So, sinasaad po rito, the head of the office to whom the warrant of arrest was delivered for execution shall cause the warrant to be executed within 10 days from its receipt. Okay po? Within 10 days after the expiration of the period, okay, the officer to whom it was assigned for execution shall make a report to the judge who issued the warrant. No? In case of his failure to execute the warrant, he shall state the reasons therefore. Okay. So, lilinawin po natin yung provision nito. Unang-una po, ang sabi, kung sa opisina na yan o sa isang police office na yan, police station na yan, ibinaba yung warrant, dapat po ito ay ma-execute, masiguradong ma-execute nung head of office na yon, na ito ay ma-serve, no? Shall cause the warrant to be executed. So, ma-serve siya within 10 days from its receipt. No? So kung na-receive ng opisina nyo ngayon yan, yung warrant na yan, yung head of that office o yung PNP kung sino man yung nandyan, no, dapat within 10 days from its receipt, ma-execute yan, ma-serve po yan. Ngayon, ang sabi rito, kung sa loob ng 10 araw, hindi po siya ma-execute, hindi siya ma-serve, no? Kasi yung 10 days na yon, yung po yung period na dapat ma-execute siya. So, ang nililinaw natin dito, sabi rito, within 10 days after the expiration of the period. Take note po, ang sinasabi pong expiration, period, hindi po yung warrant. Marami pong nagkakamali dito na ang sinasabi, expired yung warrant kasi lumagpas na ng 10 araw. Mali po yun. No? Ang sinasabi po rito, period. No? Within 10 days after the expiration of the period. Hindi po warrant ang sinasabi, period. The officer to whom it was assigned for execution shall make a report to the judge who issued the warrant. Di ba? So, sa loob ng 10 araw, hindi yan na-execute, hindi na-serve yan. No? So, dapat gumawa ng paliwanag yung officer na yan, yung police officer na yan, doon sa judge, bakit hindi po yan na-execute. Okay? So, yun yung lalamanin ng kanyang paliwanag. In case of his failure to execute the warrant, he shall state the reasons therefore. Bakit ba hindi ito na-serve? Bakit ba hindi ito na-execute? Okay. Doon naman sa sinasabing, 10 days, period lang po yan. Yung expiration na yan, period. Pero yung warrant per se, no, wala pong expiration yan. Okay? Inulit po natin, no? 10 days po, expiration ng period. Pero yung validity ng warrant, no, indefinite po yan. Wala pong expiration yan. Anong sabi? A warrant of arrest remains valid indefinitely until it is either served or na-execute, meaning na-arresto yung tao or na-serve yung warrant, or recalled by the issuing court. So may dahilan naman yung korte para i-recall po yan. Okay po? So maliwanag po, no? Ang na-expire yung period. So, dapat po, upon its issuance o upon its receipt, no, dapat po ma-serve yan within 10 days. Kung hindi po mangyayari at hindi po yan ma-execute, hindi po yan ma-serve within 10 days, dapat po yung head of office na yan, ng law enforcement na yan, kung sino man yan, magpapaliwanag sa judge na nag-issue bakit hindi siya na-execute. At yung officer na inatasang mag-execute niyan, dapat malagay po doon yung mga kadahilanan bakit siya hindi na-execute or na-serve. Okay po? So, maliwanag po yan, no? So, yan po muna sa ngayon. Sa mga susunod po, dito po, tatalakayin na natin dito yung arrest without warrant under Section 5. So, muli, yan po muna sa ngayon. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Stay safe, be alert, and be aware.